Good morning student. Now today we are going to start our 15th lecture of chapter number 11, that is ray optics. Okay, and in our yesterday's lecture we have completed the topic lens. All the portion of the lens we have completed, and from that we have to be also solve about the sign convention, because before solving the numericals we have to be understand that what is sign convention, so that also we have understand, we have just be solved, and I hope that you are able to understand that about the sign convention also. Now we are going to be solve some of the numericals. So for that, your first numerical is radius of curvature of a convex lens is 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Refractive index of the material of lens is 1.5. If this lens is put in water, the refractive index of water is 1.33. Find its focal length. Okay, so what is given in the question, that the radius of a curvature of the convex lens. So two radii are there, R1 is your 20 centimeter, R2 is your 30 centimeter, and the refractive index of the material of the lens is, so the value of material of the lens of refractive index N2 is also be given, that is of your 1.5, and if this lens is put in the water which is having the refractive index of 1.33, this is the value of N1. Okay, you have to find its focal length. It was a directly formula based question, no any extra concept we have to be apply in this numerical. That is, first of all, before solving the question, what we have to do, we have to be write the given values. So given values is, always remember the refractive index of the material of the lens is your second phase. So N2 is your 1.5. okay, water, it was kept in the water, so N1 is your 1.33. Radius of curvature of first surface is your 20 centimeter and second surface is your 30 centimeter. This is what given in the question. Now direct formula based question is there, and the formula is 1 upon focal length is equals to N2 upon N1 minus 1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2, and you have to put the values in this formula. So 1 upon F is equals to N2 is your 1.5, N1 is your 1.33 minus 1, 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30. Okay, clear? Now when you are solving this equation, you will get the value 96 centimeter. Okay, and but the thing is that you have to be solved by your own. This answer you have to be calculate by your own. Solve this format. Okay, clear? So this is your first numerical. Moving ahead with the second numerical. So second numerical is, what will be the object distance when the magnification when the magnification by a lens of focal length 10 centimeter is 2. Okay, what is the object distance when the magnification of the lens of the focal length of 10 centimeter is 2? The magnification is 2, the focal length is 10 centimeter, and you have to find the object distance. Only two values has been given. So this is your convex lens. So first of all we have to write the given values. So the given values, so here the focal length of a convex lens, so it is your the lens which has been given of 10 centimeter and magnification is 2. So always remember the focal length which we have taken here is your plus, because here the magnification is the plus form, so it was your convex lens. So it was your plus 10 centimeter and value of magnification is your 2. You know the formula beta. If you remember the formula, then we are having the formula of magnification is like that: f is equals to u plus f. F is equals to u plus f. Now we have all these values. The value of m is 2, f is 10, u we have to be calculate, f is 10. When I am multiplying, the cross multiplication we have to be do. So it will 2u plus 20 is equals to 10. 2u is equals to 20, 10 minus 20, and u is equals to minus 5. Now it is first correct because the value is in minus form, and value object distance is always be in the minus form. Okay, clear? This is what we have do for the first. And the second, if we are taking the value in the minus form, okay, if the magnification I am taking here for the minus form, if m is equals to minus 2, then minus 2 is equals to 10 upon u plus 10. It will be minus 2u minus 20 is equals to 10, minus 2u is equals to 10 plus 20, and u is equals to minus 30 upon 2, 15. Okay, then also the value is coming like minus 15 centimeter. Okay, in both the condition the value is coming in the minus form. It means the focal length, it is assured that it is a convex lens. The magnification we are not be examining, that which kind of a magnification is there. So two types of the value we have calculated for this. Okay, moving ahead with the next numerical, and your next numerical is a convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter is kept in contact with a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeter. What will be the focal length of this combination. Okay, there is a convex lens of the focal length of 5 cm which is kept in a contact with a concave lens of a focal length of 10 cm. You have to find that what is the focal length of this combination. So always remember, for the combination of the lenses, the focal length has been add up. Okay, so formula for this is for combination of lenses 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. Okay, and the given value which is given in the question is your f1 is equals to 5 cm. So it is for the convex lens, it will be plus 5, and f2 for the concave lens, it will be minus 10 cm. You have to put the value and then add up. So when you will add up by putting both the values of the focal length, so your formula will become 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10. Okay, and so 10 is in the minus form, so it will be 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 10. Okay, and your answer will be 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon 10 and f is equals to 10 centimeter. This will be your answer. Okay, so one more question we have solved. Moving ahead with the next one, and your next question is numerical. Where should a candle of length 3 centimeter be placed from a lens of focal length 10 centimeter, so that its 6 centimeter long image is obtained on a screen placed at appropriate position. This is the question. Okay, we have to kept a candle of a length of 3 centimeter be placed in a from the lens of the focal length of this, so that its 6 centimeter long image has been obtained on the screen placed at an appropriate position. So this is the length of the candle, so it is the object length, height. This is the length of the image, so this is the height of the image, this is the focal length of the lens. Okay, this is your question is. Now what we have to be, it has been just be screen has been placed. So what we have to be do beta? We have to be find the object distance, okay, the value of u. So for that we have to be write first of all the given values. So in the solution the given values are, remember this, this is not be mentioned in the question, this is for the convex lens, it is missing in the question. Okay, this is about the convex lens. Okay, when it is placed in from the convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay, so the given the height of the object, so height of the candle is 3 centimeters. So always remember that the height should be in the positive form. The height of the image, so the focal length is always make the real image, so real is inverted, so 6 centimeter, and focal length of the convex lens is of your 10, so 10 centimeter is a positive form. Now we will just consider that its magnification is 1. Okay, so we know that the formula of the magnification, what's the formula beta? That height of the image to the height of the object, or you can write V upon U in the plus form, minus in the mirror. So we know these two values of height of the image and height of the object. So height of the image is of your minus 6 centimeter and height of the object is of your 3 centimeter, V upon U. So it will be become that of minus 2 is equals to V upon U, and from here the value of V is twice of the object in the minus form, twice of the object. Now we have to be use the lens formula. So by using lens formula, what is the lens formula beta? 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. We have to put the values. So focal length is of your 10 centimeters, it is in the positive form. Value of v is minus of 2u, which we have calculated, and u is your simple u we have written. Now what we have to do, we have to take the LCM here. Okay, so 1 upon 10 is equals to, LCM is your 2u, so minus 1 minus 2, it will become 1 upon 10 is equals to minus 3 upon 2u. What we have to find? We have to find the value of u. So the cross multiplication we have to be do, and what is that beta? That u is equals to minus 3 into 10 upon 2. 30 upon 2 in the minus form, 30 upon 2 is your 15 in the minus form, 15 centimeter. This is the object distance. Also we have to find the image distance. So what we have to be do? We know that the image distance v is the twice of the object in the minus form. So we have to be put the value in this format. So it will be like, we know v, the image distance is twice of the object distance in the minus form. So v is equals to minus 2 into minus 15. So it will become minus minus plus 30 centimeter. Okay. So this will be the image distance, and minus 15 centimeter is the object distance. This is what we have to be calculated in this question. Now the next one question is next numerical is find the focal length of a double convex lens made up of glass whose radius of curvature and refractive index are 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 1.5 respectively. Okay, so this is the numerical that which we are going to be solved. So in this we have to find the focal length of the double convex lens. Always remember, double convex lens is your normal convex lens which is made up of a glass whose radius of curvature and refractive index. So these two are the radius of curvature. This is R1, this is R2 and this is the value of refractive index. We have to find the focal length. The first numerical which we have solved today, it was completely based on that formula and it was completely a formula based question. Remember, if a entire refractive index has been given, then we have used this formula which we are using right now, and if two different refractive indexes has given, that the refractive index of the lens and the refractive index of the air or water or oil, whatever the condition which has been given, so that time N2 upon N1 formula we have to be used. And right now here, so first of all we have to be write the given quantities. So R1 is your 20 centimeter, R2 is your 30 centimeter and the refractive index mu is your 1.5. This is about the convex lens. So the R1 is your positive and R2 is your negative. Okay, now we have to be put this value in the formula. So your formula is 1 upon f is equals to mu minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Okay, so this is the formula. So we have to put all these values in this formula beta. So what was that? 1 upon f is equals to mu is your 1.5 minus 1, R1 is your 20 minus R2 is your minus 30. So the formula will become 1.5 minus 1 is your 0.5, LCM will be your 600. So 30 minus plus 20. Okay. So 1 upon f is equals to 0.5 into 50 upon 600 and it will be your 25 upon 600 and this will be your 1 upon 24. It means the focal length is your 24 centimeter. Focal length is your 24 centimeter. This will be the answer. This formula is used when only the refractive index value is given, and if the two different types of the refractive index ratios has been given, then we have to be put the first formula, that is N2 upon N1 minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now this is about the numerical portion. Now I am just be giving you some of the question that you have to be solved at your home as your homework. Okay, just try to solve that numericals at your home. So first numerical for your homework is a lens of refractive index 1.5 has focal length of 0.3 meter. What will be its focal length in water? Okay, the length of a refractive index is given and its focal length is this. What will be its focal length in the water? Okay, so this is for the air. So the formula what you have to be applied beta? which formula you have to be applied? At 1 upon 30, the refractive index for the air is beta, always remember 0.5, okay, and for that, the refractive index is 1.5 and you have to find it down. Then for the water, remember always the refractive index in the water is 1.33. For water is 1.33. Remember this value, okay. If it was not be given all time, it was not be given in the question, okay. So first of all, you have to be calculate for the air for 1.5, then for the air to glass and glass to water, okay. So for that you have to be calculate it down. I hope that you are able to solve this numerical. You have to be calculate different two focal length and then you have to take the ratios. Just try it once, okay. The next numerical is, which you have to be solved at your home. An object of height 6.0 centimeter is placed at 30.0 centimeter from a lens. The height of the image is 2.0 centimeter and is inverted. Find focal length of the lens. Okay, the height has been given and you have to find the focal length, and it has the formula beta. Magnification is equals to height of the image to the height of the object is equals to f upon u plus f, okay, and the value of u has been given. It is placed at 30 centimeter. This is the object height, this is the image height, this is the object distance, and what you have to find? You have to find the value of focal length, okay. So I hope that you are able to find. You have to be solve these two numericals, okay, and with this the numerical portion of the lens topic has been completed. So the second phase of this chapter is completed. Now moving toward we are moving toward the third phase, that is next topic is your prism. The derivation, sometimes the derivation and sometimes the numerical based on the prism is always coming. Definitely one question is coming from the prism topic, okay. Then some theoretical portion is coming, and afterwards we are moving towards the optical instruments, okay, clear. So up to here you have to be solved, and with this our lens topic has been bind up. This chapter is lengthy, okay, and right now many of the, I think 3 or 4 lectures are remaining pending of this chapter, okay, clear. So thank you, that's all for today.